Hey, Gretchen with Yoga and Herb. Usui, how to draw Usui Reiki symbols. We're up to Dai Ko Myo. Dai Ko Myo is one of those ones that I like picture when I'm doing my clients. It's 3 parts. So you have 1, 2, and 3. This is just part 1. This is gonna basically be like the great big Reiki light. That's what that part symbolizes. Then you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the shaman or the Reiki master. This is you. So this is the Reiki light. This is you. This is your first master symbol too. And then you have 10, 11, 12, 13. And then you basically do the same thing again over here. 14, 15, 16, 17. And that is going to be Dai Ko Myo. Your first master symbol, great big white light. It helps you see things with true sight. It helps you to interpret things. It empowers you. It has a huge vibration, a great big vibration, but it allows you to take that Reiki energy, use yourself as a vessel to send that beautiful Reiki energy to your clients and impart all of that wisdom, that universal wisdom that you've come to know. So this is what this represents. All right. Next up, Raku. We're almost done with the Usui. If you like these videos and want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you. Until next time, Namaste.